transport region through which you can transport the goods from one place to another. It is a major connectivity network area which connects more than 5 or 6 to countries or the state through Ladakh. In simple, I can say through Ladakh region we can reach several countries with the goods which are exported through Ladakh. And the caravans travel through it and it carries whatever the goods it carries, like textile, spices which are used for the cooking, that is preparing the food. Spices, India is known for the famous spices, is it? Then raw silk and carpet. So these are the things which majorly exported through Ladakh region, and Ladakh is the one of the best transport area through which it reaches the Europe countries in the Europe and the Middle East and the Far East and connected China, and is the best route for the storage, transport, and exchange of goods. And coming to the last point, that is livestock rearing is the main occupation. Here, the livestock is rearing is nothing but farming of farm animals, as is regarded as asset. That is nothing but livestock is nothing but domestication of animals. Like in the previous class, we see the first farmers and the herders. What they used to do? They used to rear the cattle, sheep, cow, fox, ox. Is it in the same way in the Ladakh region? The people is going to rear the cow. Livestock is nothing but ಜಾನುವಾರು. ಸೊ ಜಾನುವಾರು ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಬಂದು ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರೇರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ pashima wool, they get meat to eat, then the milk products like ghee, curd, milk, butter, cheese, all these things they will get by which by having a livestock rearing. So children, the case study of Ladakh is a state of located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and it receives rainfall, scanty rainfall, that is less rainfall due to the ice and snow, and it is a cold desert. And it is the best trade route, and it is famous for silk route which connects more than 3 to 4 countries, and it carries textiles, spices, raw silk, and carpet, and the livestock rearing is the main occupation. So children, the next one is case study is about Kerala state. We are going to know about the Kerala. So students, come next to case study in your syllabus is given about the Kerala state. So there are various different culture practices, is it? And Kerala. Kerala is one among them, which has got a different unique features, is it? Then where it is located? It is located in the southern part of India, and it is surrounded by hills on one side, and the other side, what is there? It is the sea. It is covered by the coastal region, is it? So on the one side it is covered by the hill area, and the other side it is covered by the coastal region or the sea, that is the sea on the other side. And it due to its the shades of the greenery present, which it is present greenery surrounding the nature is been covered by the shades of green and blue. So due to this, it's having a green vegetation, and it has got abundant rainfall, that is heavy rainfall, abundant, enormous, sufficient rainfall. Then what do they trade? Here the trading is majorly consists of spices, and to which country they trade? With the Jewish and the Arab traders. So in Kerala, it is a very fame in the previous time, that is in the earlier days, the coastal region used to be the certain is a place to export and import the goods. Among such state, Kerala is one of the best state to for the trading purpose. And the trading purpose, when they took place, the trading spices, they used to trade the spices, they used to sell the spices with the Jewish and the Arab traders. And it is the next tells the Muslims, Jews, Christians, Hindus, and Buddhists. It is a home to Muslims, Jews, Christians, Hindus, and Buddhists. It is a home to these communities, in the sense it is not the home to these communities. It's a region how uh, which community used to live more in this state, we call. So it's a home to Muslims, Jews, Christian, Hindus, and one. Not only it is the home to Muslims, Jews, or the Christian, or the Hindus, or the Muslim. So children, what they are telling, So majorly which are the communities they live in Kerala state, that's the meaning. So which are the major communities which we see in the Kerala state means Muslim, Jews, Christian, Hindus and Buddhists. These are the main religions which we see in the Kerala state. And coming to the occupation, so fishing and agriculture in Kerala are the famous occupation. These are the two major occupation which we see in the Kerala state. So as they are situated to the coast, near to the coastal region, they usually easy to get the fish, and they used to have that food as the seafood as the main food. Along with that, it is easy for them to export, and it is a easy occupation with a less amount of investment. And rice is the staple crop, that is main. Staple is nothing but main food. Rice is the main food which they consume for their daily routine food. So it includes rice, fish, vegetables, and one of the most famous thing which we see in Kerala is the, and once in a year they conduct snake boat race. So it is famous for its annual snake boat race. So in today's class, we studied about two regions. One is Ladakh and the another one is Kerala. And Ladakh is a cold desert and it is got a less rainfall. And Kerala is a coastal region state and it receives heavy rainfall due to its green vegetation. And the occupation is also different. Here the uh, livestock rearing is the main occupation, where in Ladakh. In Kerala, fishing and agriculture is the main occupation. Is it? So there are similar as well as the differences of the culture, practices, then wearing of the costumes or the clothes and the language they speak. Is it? And the festivals which they celebrate. And Onam is one of the festival which they celebrate. Is it? So, in today's class, children, we learned how diversity is going to enriches our lives. It adds some quality to our life, and which are the case study about Ladakh and the Kerala state. So thank you. So students, please complete the worksheet and please go through the points and complete the classwork notes, as your test is being commencing from the next week. So please update your classwork notes and the worksheet and please submit within the date so that you will be getting a marks. So please students complete the worksheet as well as the notes and read it. Thank you.